Congress MP Rahul Gandhi is likely to raise the Lakhimpur Kheri case SIT report in Parliament in just a short while from now. At least 5 Congress MPs have given adjournment notice in Parliament over the Lakhimpur case and are pushing for the BJP government at the centre to sack Union Minister Ajay Mishra. Remember, UP court has agreed with the SIT report's findings on the Lakhimpur Kheri case. The court has agreed to the SIT submission that Section 35 of the Arms Act must be included in the FIR. This section refers to criminal responsibility of a person on whose premises arms and ammunition are found. Remember, 2 empty .315 cartridges were recovered from the charred vehicle of the minister after the violence. Let me go across to my colleague Alok Singh, who's been tracking all the updates. Alok, we are expecting fireworks in Parliament today over this issue with Rahul Gandhi leading the opposition's charge on the matter. But essentially, what is also of significance is the fact that the court, a judicial magistrates court in UP, has in fact agreed with most of the findings given by the special investigation team, including the part which actually points to responsibility on the union minister. In fact, before I go to Alok, let us cut across to Parliament.
51.4 kilometer railway track has been approved in the state of Mizoram, which will connect Bhairabi to Sarang. This is a very important section, sir. This will connect the capital Aizawl with the rest of the country in the railway network. The project is 6,527 crore. Sir, I would like to say, sir, Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji has given Northeast में sir 74,485 crore के projects have been sanctioned in the northeastern states, sir. Sir, from 2009 to 14, only 2,122 crore per year was allocated. Now 7,292 crore is being allocated, sir. So I'll meet the honorable member individually and understand what are his other requests.
सदस्य नॉर्थ ईस्ट इलाके का रेल का मामला है, महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न उठा रहा माननीय सदस्य। उत्तरी पूर्व क्षेत्र के अंदर रेल जाएगी, विकास होगा, प्रश्न नहीं पूछना चाहते हैं माननीय सदस्य से प्लीज सप्लीमेंट्री।
Sir, I would request the Honorable Minister if he can at least tell us whether there is any plan to further extend the railway line from Sairang to South Mizoram.
The survey for this area has not yet been done. Let us first reach Aizawl and we will discuss the further needs, because that area is very difficult terrain, sir. In that difficult terrain, I'll meet with honorable member and discuss what other things can be done, sir.
कीर्तिवर्धन सिंह।
धन्यवाद माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, आपने ऐसे माहौल में मुझे प्रश्न पूछने का मौका दिया, इसके लिए मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ आपका। अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं माननीय मंत्री जी का ध्यान बहराइच, श्रावस्ती, बलरामपुर और सिद्धार्थनगर जिलों की तरफ आकर्षित करना चाहता हूँ। यह नेपाल सीमा से सटे हुए उत्तरी उत्तर प्रदेश के अत्यंत बैकवर्ड आर्थिक और सामाजिक दृष्टिकोण से अत्यंत पिछड़े जिले हैं और हमारी भारत सरकार के आकांक्षा जनपद के श्रेणी में भी ये आते हैं। मानवर, इस क्षेत्र के विकास के उद्देश्य से पिछले कार्यकाल में अपनी सरकार ने बहराइच से खलीलाबाद को जोड़ने के लिए एक नए रेल मार्ग को प्रस्तावित किया था और कैबिनेट कमेटी ऑन इकोनॉमिक अफेयर्स ने इस 4,939 करोड़ की योजना को 2018 में स्वीकृति भी दे दी थी। अध्यक्ष महोदय, आपके माध्यम से मैं माननीय रेल मंत्री जी से जानना चाहता हूं कि 5 जिलों को जोड़ने वाली इस अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण योजना को गति प्रदान करने के लिए क्या आवश्यक कार्रवाई हो रही है, जिससे अपने
In fact, as we can see that there's massive sloganeering in the Lok Sabha already, in Parliament already over this issue. And as we know that Rahul Gandhi, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi is the one who's going to lead the charge. He has already in fact, made it clear that the Congress is going to demand the sacking of Union MOS home, Ajay Mishra Teni, on this issue. Let me go across to my colleague Alok for this. Alok, For our viewers, just explain what exactly did the SIT have to say, especially with regard to the fact that now the court has also agreed with the SIT, especially the minister facing heat over this particular fact that SIT has said that Section 35 of Arms Act must be included in the FIR. Just explain that, the significance of that vis-a-vis Ajay Mishra for our viewers.
See, Tanima, the SIT, which was formed by the Uttar Pradesh police, they were investigating the case. Remember, this incident happened on 2nd of October when the farmers had gathered in Lakhimpur Kheri and they were protesting against the 3 farm laws. At that point in time, Ajay Mishra, who is Union Minister, he was going to attend a program, and because it was happening in his constituency, so he was organizing the program. Uttar Pradesh Deputy CM Keshav Prasad Maurya was also about to come. At the same time, when the farmers were moving on the road and moving towards, heading towards the venue, at the same time, the convoy of Ajay Mishra's, in which it is stated to be his son Ashish Mishra, was also sitting in the car. It drove over the farmers, in which 4 farmers, that also include one of the journalists, also killed. So this is the whole story. Later after that, the farmers had claimed that Ajay Mishra, it was a full conspiracy. Ajay Mishra has the conspiracy. His son was also involved, and that is why the farmers, that the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha were demanding that both the son and father should be arrested, and in fact the action should be taken against Ajay Mishra. But since then, Ajay Mishra is still on his post, and he is in fact seen, and we are reporting that he is seen attending various programs of the central government. So he is still on the post. So right now, the SIT, which was set up by the Uttar Pradesh government, Uttar Pradesh police, they have submitted its report before the judicial magistrate, in which they have said that it was a full conspiracy. It was not the accidental accident. Remember, earlier the case was registered under Section 304, that is culpable homicide, and also rash driving, negligent and rash driving. But now the SIT has said that it was a conspiracy, and Section 307, which is attempt to murder, should be imposed. However, the farmers are demanding that Section 302 to be added into this case. But right now, the SIT has said the Section 307 should be added into this case. So now the court has also accepted that. So this is a big development. Definitely, it is giving some sort of relief to the opposition. Means that the opposition also to the farmers who are demanding that the arrest of Ashish Mishra from the day one. Later after that, if we see, if we go back to the case, Uttar Pradesh police later arrested Ashish Mishra and 12 others. So at right now, 13 persons have already been arrested. But the demand is to remove Ajay Mishra, because Ashish Mishra has already been arrested. So demand is to remove Ajay Mishra, and he should also be booked with the conspiracy which is there in the Lakhimpur Kheri. So this is the whole development related to this case. But right now, the matter is echoing in the parliament, because lot of and that also include Rahul Gandhi, who is opposition leader, Congress leader. He has moved the adjournment notice. So definitely the matter is going to echo in the parliament, and what we are learning that in few hours that there might be some action could be taken against Ajay Mishra. Back to you.
So there's, of course, a lot of fireworks expected in Parliament already. It's in fact started, where the opposition has been raising slogans, creating ruckus in the Parliament over this issue. Rahul Gandhi is also, in fact, going to speak on this matter on the floor of the House today. He's the one who's leading the charge of the Congress. At least 5 Congress MPs, including Rahul Gandhi, have, in fact, moved adjournment notice on this issue. And the Congress is demanding sacking of Union MOS home. Ajay Mishra will be tracking all the details with Alok on this. In fact, there are, as we can in fact see, that there is, of course, this matter is in the parliament, in the sense it's echoing in the parliament in terms of the opposition MPs raising this issue, and Rahul Gandhi there, of course, heading to parliament, as we can see, as we know that the Congress has already said that they are going to raise this issue, with Rahul Gandhi being the one who's actually leading the charge. If I can read out from that letter, from the adjournment motion notice which has been given from Rahul Gandhi's office. In fact, he has said I hereby give notice of my intention to ask for leave to move a motion in the adjournment of business of the House. The UP Police SIT report has highlighted that massacre of farmers at Lakhimpur was a pre-planned conspiracy and not a negligent act. The SIT has recommended for modification of charges, and the government should immediately sack the MOS Home Affairs Ajay Mishra. Those are the words of Rahul Gandhi in that adjournment notice which has been given in Lok Sabha.